After Flensburg, you cross the most unassuming border. A little bridge walkway connecting Germany to Denmark.
With petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold.
The main inspiration for this trip had been the desire to explore Scandinavia. And after over a month, I had finally made it to the start.
Comes back, you'll see. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong through pavement. We will grow forever. We will grow.
Really curious about my first Danish shelter. These are like a free campsite for cyclists or hikers, and they usually have a bit of water, a water tap and a cover. And this is my cover for the night, which looks stunning. Wow, that's good. And nobody's here, which is great. First impressions of Denmark is of a country that is extremely quiet. It's really noticeable as soon as I crossed from Flensburg, which is quite a big city in Germany. And as soon as I crossed into Denmark, it was just immediately so much quieter. Roads had no traffic on them. I suppose it's a small country and it's not highly populated. And everything is really, really tidy and ordered. And I've hardly seen any garbage around, so they seem to have very good ways of keeping their country clean, which is always admirable. So we'll see if I survive my first shelter. The sea is actually very, very close, but it's just I got a little bit late today here and I need to cook something for myself, so I don't think I'll be able to swim. Anyway, so that's the first day of Denmark, and so far extremely excited about this country. So we'll see you tomorrow.
Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong through pavement. We will grow. Oh, dandelion, the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong through pavement. We will grow forever. We will grow forever. We will grow.
Today is my first full day in Denmark, and I'm on the way to Funchal, where I'll need to take a ferry that takes me to a small island, which I think is pronounced something like Ero. But from here on, you'll have to excuse all my pronunciations, because I could cope with German pronunciation, but I have no clue how they pronounce letters. They've got accents which I've never seen, like the little circle on the A. So if any of you would tell me how you pronounce it, that will help me. Otherwise, just a beautiful country. Very nice cycleways, of course, and I'm sure I'll enjoy the ride. I think I won the lottery today. This is one of the places where one can pitch a tent for free. Here there's a table and benches to sit down. And by the beach over there, water and restroom facilities. And after my first swim in the Baltic Sea, this will be my priceless view. Life has been really good today.
Throw your stuff away. Don't hesitate. Don't be scared. New ways will appear in front of you. New wealth too. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day.
So I'm on National Cycle Route 8, and here I found another of these wonderful shelters. And just when you need it, you can have a barbecue if you need it. But what was more interesting to me at this time was this one. Just one of those ecological toilets which works with sawdust.
But day by day, day by day, day by day, big feelings coming closer. It's okay. I know it's a bad day, catching every teardrop. Try to tame a hurricane. Wish you didn't feel alive. But if you try to embrace rather than push away, you will find this place getting better day by day. Day by day, day by day, day by day.
Hello, is it possible to buy one ticket?
Yes, just one way,
Just one way.
53 Danish.
Okay.
Go.
What time does the next one leave?
In 10 minutes,
Oh, great.
13 minutes. Line number 8.
Line number 8.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.